Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can basically do if you don't want to use the stock video because of its color. You can absolutely change it. So for instance, we have this background here, and I don't want it to be pink. I want it to be purple maybe or green. So first, go to filters, and you're going to actually layer on a black and white filter on top. So let's just search that up, and you're just going to select whichever one shows the most on your effect. Like this one for me, the black and white, the two. Okay, I thought it was three. Sorry, my eyesight is not that great. Let me just be honest with you guys. So then you're just going to go to background, and you're going to select a color that you want. For instance, maybe even this like gradient one you want to apply to your stock video. Scale it up, and then just go to blend mode and select whichever one suits the video the best. Maybe this overlay one. Sometimes the linear burn one works the best, but in this case it is the overlay one that works, as you can see. We also have something like this one, which I think the linear one works a little bit better. So I'm just going to add the black and white one actually to this one, and I'm going to find like another color to add on top of it. Then blend mode, linear burn works a little bit better for the outline ones. Sorry. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.